It feels like an alien came in space inverter to your home for playing music. Hi everyone, I am Nilay, and it continued in my review of the latest portable speaker. This one is GravaStar Bluetooth speaker, which has a unique robotic design, and it's the least expensive speaker in the lineup. It comes in two variants, GravaStar and GravaStar Mini. I have the GravaStar with green ambient light, which is around $129, and the GravaStar Mini comes with red ambient lights, around $69. There is a slight difference in battery life, power and range. Moreover, the GravaStar Mini doesn't support volume touch sensors. Currently, you can sign up here and they notify you for early purchase. For your ease, I have a link below in description section if you wanna check current status. So let's take a look at design and some of its features. Then I have more sound samples later to get an idea how it sounds. On the box it is GravaStar logo, and here we have a message. When you are opening this box, we hope you are expecting not just speaker, but a little robot friend you want to hang out with. We also looking forward to get you more experience like this. So your team. The other side is parameter. It's Bluetooth 5.0, great, power input and etc. We'll discuss later on. Now moving to vital part of the video. Let's unbox this and look what we got inside. On the first we have this user guide. It's nicely packed. Oh, it looks awesome. Look at the unique design. Inside the box you will get micro USB cable to charge. There is no wall adapter. So now you will need to use your phone charger or something with a USB port to charge the speaker. Next is the aux cable. This will be helpful when your Bluetooth is prohibited or in a flight mode. Turning on the speaker, just hold the power button for 3 seconds. The startup and connection noises are nice, soft compared to most Bluetooth speakers. They are at least not too loud. The GravaStar speaker has a diameter of 140 mm and a radiator of 80 mm. It measures about 6.5 inches tall, shorter but similar to fish bowl. It weighs about 1.6 kg. It's compact and portable, making it easy to carry in your bag. The GravaStar uses a 70 mm 15 volt full range speaker. It gives clear mids and crisp highs for a clear and smooth sound up to 20 Hz. The speaker supports Bluetooth 5.0. for long range, faster speed and larger bandwidth. The speaker is equipped with a Qualcomm Bluetooth chip with true wireless stereo, which means that the GravaStar cannot be used independently, but two GravaStars can be paired for stereo output. The body is of metal shell around the majority of the speaker, with sleek angles make it shock absorbent. It feels solid, durable, while it's not meant to be dropped. Built-in ambient lights on different parts make it more attractive. The speaker is not water resistant or don't put heavy pressure on it. There is a speaker grill on the front. Even the legs at the base of its body is highly stable structure, which does not compromise output on any surface. The legs can be easily folded for transportation and storage. Legs are equipped with rubber to provide superior grip on the surface. At the bottom of the speaker, you will find an auxiliary port to connect non-Bluetooth devices. Adjacent to that is a USB Type-C port to charge the speaker. It has a 15 to 16 hours of battery life. The huge 10,000 mAh battery supports for whole day music enjoyment. On the one side of the speaker, it has LED power indicator for battery life. This LED keeps flickering slowly while charging. It's always on after charging completed. While on the other side is a Bluetooth indicator, which is always flashing. If aux-in cable, the GravaStar will automatically switch to aux-in mode. The touch-sensitive volume control is on the top, allowing you to easily adjust volume freely. On the rear, GravaStar doesn't just have a subwoofer sound effect or other gimmick, but it has a separate fully active built-in subwoofer to give you more well-balanced powerful sound than most Bluetooth speakers. The woofer is most noticeable in over 15 Hz range, where it adds a depth and fullness to your music or movies. Above the subwoofer you find these few buttons. This will work to power on/off speaker, also to play pause music. Adjacent to that is used to control your ambient lights, and the last is a Bluetooth option. Now we connect the Bluetooth by holding this button for 3 seconds. Search the name GravaStar. There will be voice prompt for every activity. It's time for little music. Here is some samples. I'm little bit disappointed while pausing the tracks, and with lower Bluetooth range. GravaStar remains stable even when playing music with heavy bass at high volume, without affecting its sound quality of course. GravaStar is ultimate high-powered portable Bluetooth speaker. I would say it's all in one package. The product is worth every rupee. The build quality is much premium. The sound is rich, deep and really energetic. I have tested other products, but the GravaStar speaker is really class apart. If you want the kind of sound needed for an indoor or outdoor party, or need a strong bass response, nothing this size will fully satisfy you. But for the size, I can't imagine anything sounding better. For now, signing off, and I see you in the next one. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Hit the like button for appreciation. Please subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this. Thank you for being with me, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends.